Hello everybody, it's Cara here and I am, as ever, so mad, and I have been literally counting down the hours since I saw a delivery notification come through to tell me I had had a parcel delivered, and that parcel is from Maison Fauve, and in here is their brand new sewing kit for their brand new pattern, which is called the Pirate top. It's a Breton Stripe top in specially formulated fabric that Maison Fauve have curated themselves. I have been drooling over their Instagram page all week. They said do a lookbook that you can download for free, and it talks about the pattern or shows you the images of the pattern. It is beautiful. So without further ado, let's get inside. So it's always beautifully boxed. All I've done is open this bit at the bottom. So inside, it's always so absolutely immaculately packed, and on the top here you've got fashion is the game and sewing your superpower. That's quite appropriate for the sewing bee this week, wasn't it? Be the creator of a unique and inspiring wardrobe and have fun. I just love it. And I'm going to do a bit of rustling now, so I apologise. Actually, I don't apologise. It's absolutely stunning. And in here is everything you need. And I just want to show you the box. Look at that. Honestly, it's so beautifully wrapped and packed. Now, in here is everything you need. Let me just get the rustling bit out of the way. And they genuinely, it smells incredible. Genuinely got everything you need, which I'll explain in a second. Now you've got a beautiful, look at that, that is absolutely lovely. So let me read on this. It says, Pirate is ready to set sail into your handmade wardrobe. A classic Breton top always deserves a place in your wardrobe, especially one with that little something extra. Pirate leaves nothing to chance, softly sculptured shoulders enhanced with delicate pleats, decorative mock buttons, a beautifully defined square neckline, and easy to wear straight cut with subtly relaxed fit. Designed to become a timeless wardrobe favourite, we've selected exceptional materials and an iconic 100% cotton Breton Stripe jersey, silver roped inspired buttons, and beautifully finished details throughout. Your Maison Fauve sewing box is delicately scented with our signature fragrance, Les Fleurs Fauves, and includes a step-by-step video guidance to help you through every stage of the project, whatever your sewing experience. Your box also contains all the haberdashery you'll need to create your garment. And that, I have that perfume, and it is just amazing. So this is the pattern, La Mariniere Pirate, and it is a classic Breton Stripe top. I cannot wait. And just as a reminder, all the Maison Fauve patterns come in a size 34 to 52. Which is a chest of 80 to 120, 60 to 103, waist and hips 88 to 128 centimetres there. And the box here contains the panels for the fabric, and it requires 2 panels of fabric for the female top, and they've actually also released in this in the Miss version, which is children 4 to 14, and you need 1 panel of that. Let's get on to the fabric. Now in here you've also got beautiful Maison Fauve labels, which I'll definitely be using. Oh my word. Okay. Now I'm seeing this for the first time. I'm feeling this for the first time. And this is amazing. So this is 100% cotton jersey, specially created by Maison Fauve, and I chose the navy and ecru colour. It also comes in a white and a beautiful cobalt blue, which is very typical of the Breton Stripe. This fabric is so soft, and over on the YouTube channel I have just watched, Emily has done a podcast about this particular kit and the launch of this mini capsule. But this fabric is beautiful. I've not felt a fabric like that, actually. It's not sweatshirt weight, it's not t-shirt weight, it's somewhere in between. And Emily does explain on the podcast today that this pattern isn't designed for sweatshirting because of the intricacy of the pleat in the shoulder here. It's really hard to see on there, but it's got this beautiful fold into the shoulder, which is just amazing. So the fabric is absolutely gorgeous. As described, you get everything you need. So this square neckline is actually faced, and the pattern itself actually has got marks on the pattern itself to help you line up your pattern placement. This top section not only forms part of the shoulders, but you also cut a square facing to create that lovely finish. But actually there's guidance on where to cut it so that both your front and back pieces match perfectly, which I think is beautiful. I obviously haven't seen the pattern, so I don't know. So the sun is going in and out and it looks like it's about to rain. So that's why it's going light and dark. But you've got the interfacing that you need for that neckline. In this little packet here, we've actually got all the other haberdashery items, which is amazing. Sorry, more rustling. Let's see if I can get into that. And in here, you've actually got a specific twin needle to finish the hems and the cuff. You've got a full pack of Schmetz jersey needles as well, specific for this kind of fabric, which is amazing. Oh my goodness, this is incredible. You've got a spool of perfectly matched thread, and these are also the star of the show. These are curated by Maison Fauve, and the design of this top is so clever. Now, on the neckline here is 3, on the left shoulder, there are 3 buttons. Can't particularly see that there, but in the Instagram footage and obviously on the footage on the website, you can see it really well. And what she's done is you actually create 3 buttonholes, not so that they're functioning buttons, but check this out, so that the shank of the button sits in the recess of the top and therefore doesn't wibble wobble about, doesn't change its orientation, sits beautifully. So you've got 3 of those stunning buttons. Now there are limited amounts of the panels available without the kit, not part of the kit, over on the Maison Fauve website. And still running is my discount code of 10% off on the Maison Fauve site if you use the code CARAFAUVE10. So you could head over and grab this kit using that code, buying it from France. This is just amazing. So there's 2 panels there, an amazing top, the beautiful haberdashery, including these absolutely stunning buttons. And don't forget, there's a full sew along, which you can change the audio into English on their website. So I know what I'm going to be doing this weekend. I cannot wait to get started on this. I'm going to get this fabric straight into the wash, cut out the pattern, and potentially by the end of this weekend, I will have a beautiful, beautiful Mariniere Pirate top. I hope you enjoyed seeing this, and yeah, I will come back to you very shortly with the finished article. And just like that, here we are, one beautiful Pirate top made. I cannot wait to tell you more about this. Honestly, I'm very, very fortunate. I received this on the Friday, I think it was, and I was able to cut it out, the pattern, pop the fabric straight into the wash, cut the pattern out on Friday night, and I had to do some other things over the weekend, as in do some teaching or coaching of sewing, and also just live my life outside of my sewing room. So it's now the following week, but I did finish this over the weekend and I loved the process of it. So let me hand over to Cara a second, because she's going to show you a little bit of the cutting out process and the genius of the pattern pieces that are with the Pirate top here, particularly when it comes to the pattern matching of the stripes. Stay tuned, back in a sec. Hi everybody, so I thought I'd just add in a little bit of sort of as I make the top. And what's really interesting about the pattern pieces here for the Pirate top is how the pattern has been set to help you with your stripe pattern matching. It's a bit of a mouthful. And so you've got here, this is the front piece, which is cut on the fold, and this is the sleeve. And I was just curious of how I would know where to put the sleeve, how to match up the stripes, and that's what's happened. That's what's helped us. So the front piece, the back piece also has this stripe on it, and obviously then this matches on this sleeve piece. So losing my words there. So it's really clever. It's really clever, and you then know that it's all going to match up. Which is great. I'm actually cutting this on the single, so I'm just using that as a demonstration. So what I'll do here is I cut round this left hand side, and then you sort of flip it on itself so that you can ensure that your stripes are staying perfectly horizontal. So it's very clever. Or you could unpin it and then move the flip your pattern that way, but I found it works just to flip it with the pattern still on it, which is great. So I'm really enjoying it. There's two of these panels that I was talking about before, and yeah, you've got lots of lovely markings. So this is going to be interfaced, and then you've got all these beautiful notches and so on to make the construction of the top. So what you saw there is just a brilliant way of being able to define where your stripe would be. Now, what's really interesting is over on the Instagram and the website for Maison Fauve, you can see that actually they've made a couple of the samples this way up with the cream at the top, and then a couple of the samples with the cream at the bottom. And either way, it looks really smart. So yeah, no right or wrong way to do that, just on personal preference. I think on my version, I've actually started my stripes or rather I maximise the cream on my stripe, but I do love how the stripe is parallel all the way across there, and then the obvious pattern matching down the sides and so on in order with your seams, which obviously goes without saying. And I have to say, doing pattern matching of any kind does add a little bit of time and precision to your make, but what a lovely touch to have. Now, I'm not doing a sew along here, I'm just sharing with you my experience of making this top, and the experience is lovely. You always learn something new with Maison Fauve, and the pattern itself is so innovative. I honestly don't know how Emily gets her ideas and her design, and there's some things that in particular are just amazing. We'll start off with the buttons here. It's got 3 beautiful buttons, and as I said in my little intro, you actually do a 14mm buttonhole, not because you're going to put the buttons through it, so that you can embed the shank of the button into the recess of the buttonhole, and therefore it sits beautifully flat, which it does. So there's no wibbly wobbling of your buttons. And then whilst I'm on that, this lovely shoulder detail here, it's so lovely and so cleverly constructed. Basically the pattern, the front pattern piece, if I come up close here, you can see that you've got sort of this section here, and this is what helps you to create the pattern, that shape. It's just brilliantly done. Also, and actually I'm going to pause here and I'm going to hold the top up, take it off my mannequin. So hold the line caller, let me just take that off a second. What I wanted to show you was just how beautiful this is on the inside as well as the out. These buttons are just absolutely glorious. It's so clever. It has you burrito the facing, and I'll show you what I mean. So, get a pretty standard facing piece. So that's the front, and that's the back, and it's a standard pattern piece for that. But you burrito the sides into the shoulder pleat. So underneath here you can see, well, actually no, you can't because it's all enclosed. But though underneath there obviously is the arch of your sleeve head, and you roll the sides up with the edge of the neck facing, and you burrito it in. Just beautiful. So that creates such a beautiful finish on the inside. And there's a lovely pleat here at the top of the sleeve head, so that if I turn that the other way, you can see there, I think, hopefully, you can see that beautiful detail. And what that means is that the curve of the shoulder just hugs in beautifully underneath. I popped in a label, so the Maison Fauve label that was in the kit there, and you can see there on the inside it's beautifully finished. You overlock the edges and so on, and then you used a twin needle, which is something I haven't done for many moons, and I'd forgotten, if I'm honest, what lovely finish that creates. Hopefully you can see that okay there, and do that on the top and the bottom. And if you didn't have an overlocker or a serger, then you can use the twin needle, and obviously that creates that beautiful zigzag on the inside as well as the outside. So let me pop some footage in here so that you can see me in this, but suffice to say, I love it. Size wise, I made the size that my measurements put me into, and that puts me into a size 42, and I really like the finished size of it. Actually, I'll pop it on now. There you go. I've popped it on with my all-time favourite. I think these are the Hussard jeans by Maison Fauve. I love the detail on these trousers. And this denim is a cassette denim that I got from the Maison Fabrics. Back to the top. So here's the top. So this is the size 42. Fits absolutely beautifully on the shoulders there. And these button details and the classic Breton stripe is just lovely. I really love the length that it comes to, and I've used a 3 centimetre seam gauge on the hem there, but that's just perfect, and it's brilliant if you want to tuck it in, or do a sort of a slight French tuck there, that sort of thing. And I just love it. And I do have a habit of pulling my sleeves up anyway, but just look, I love it. And this fabric is so lovely, it being 100% cotton jersey. It's beautifully breathable and is going to be amazing as a all year round, actually, to have something like this in my wardrobe. I am absolutely delighted. So I'm going to leave it there for today. Thank you very much for your company. Please do head over to the Maison Fauve website, where the kit is available, but also you can buy the pattern in the paper form there as well. And I believe they also have got a limited number of the panels available too. So I really encourage you. And if these kits are sold out by the time my video comes out, which wouldn't surprise me, as they have flown out across France in particular, then they will be restocked, I'm assured. So please keep an eye out on the website for that. And one last reminder, I do have a discount code that is applicable to the Maison Fauve French website, and that is Cara Fauve 10, and that can give you 10% off your purchases, excluding the tax and shipping, and just a nice little way to maybe entice you into purchasing some things. And I'm very grateful for that, as it is also an affiliate link. Many thanks to Maison Fauve for providing this kit to me as part of my ambassador role with them, and I am honoured to have been able to make this and cannot wait to wear this on a repeat basis. Take care, everybody, and I look forward to coming to you again very soon. Take care.